Hello, my name is Darin Halwindra Wardana. I'm student from Universitas UPII. Today I will describe about the single ownership business form, then what is meant by a partnership, and what are the effects and disadvantages of partnership business, and thirdly I will also explain about privately owned business. Reading 1. An important business forms. First, I want to describe about an important business forms. So, a business can be privately owned in three important forms. It is a sole proprietorship, partnership, and the corporation. The most common business in America is a sole proprietorship of more than 80%. Reading 2. Partnership. Second, I want to describe about partnership. A partnership is an associate of two or more persons to carry on a business for profit. When the owner of a partnership have unlimited liability, they are called general partners. If one or more partners have limited liability, they are called they are called limited partners. There may be a silent partner as well as a person who is known to the public as a member of the firm, but without authority in management. The reverse of the silent partner is the secret partner, a person who takes part in management but who is not known to the public. Partnership are more advantageous than sole proprietorship if one needs multiple sources of capital or diversified management. Reading 3. The privately owned business. Third, I want I want to describe about the privately owned business. The privately owned business corporation is an institution established for the purpose of making a profit. It is operated by individuals whose share of ownership are represented by stock certificate. Person owning stock certificate are called stockholder. The corporate form of ownership has several advantages. The first, it is ability to attract financial resources. The second advantage is that if the corporation attract a large amount of capital, it can make large investment in plants, equipment, and research. A third advantage is that a corporation can offer high salaries and thus attract talent manager. Exercise 1. An important business forms. Number 1. What are three ways that a business can be privately owned? These are sole proprietorship, the partnership, and a corporation. Number 2. What form do most American business have? The sole proprietorship is the most common in American business. Number 3. What form do most business in your native country have? In my country have is the corporation. Number 4. Do sole proprietorship make the most money? That is, do they have the greatest volume of business? More than 80% of all business in the United States are sole proprietorship. Number 5. List some business that are likely to be sole proprietorship. Why? Because these small businesses are very often service industry such as laundromats, beauty shop, repair shop, and the restaurant. Number 6. List some business that are not likely to be sole proprietorship. Why? The partnership and the corporation, because it is managed by two or more people. Exercise 2. Partnership. Number 1. What is an important difference between a general partnership and limited partnership? General partnership is when the owners of a partnership have unlimited liability. They are called general partners. Limited partners is if one or more partner have a limited liability. They are called limited partners. Number 2. What is the difference between a silent partner and the secret partner? The secret partner, a person who takes part in management, but who is not known to the public. Silent partner as well, a person who is known to the public as a member of the firm, but without authority in management. Number 3. What are some professional fields in which partnerships are found? There are partnerships in professional fields such as medicine, law, accounting, insurance, and stock brokerage. Number 4. What are some business in which limited partnership is a common form? Limited partnership are common form of ownership in real estate, oil prospecting, and the mining and quarrying industry, to name a few. Number 5. Discuss the advantage of partnerships. Partnerships are more advantageous than sole proprietorship if one needs multiple sources of capital or diversified management. Number 6. What are advantages of a partnership? There are number disadvantages of the partnership. One is unlimited liability. The means that each partner is responsible for all debts and legal responsibilities in connection with the business. Another disadvantage is that partner may disagree with each other. Number 7. Why would you prefer your own business, a partnership, or sole proprietorship? Why? If neither form would be suitable, explain why not. Sole proprietorship because easy to make or shape, low cost to get started. Exercise 3. Corporation. Who are the owners of corporation? It is operated by individuals whose share of ownership are represented by stock certificates, which are called as stockholder. Number 2. Is a corporation necessarily larger than a sole proprietorship or a partnership? Yes, because a corporation requires more capital and involves more people. Number 3. List at least 3 advantages of the corporate form of ownership might be. The first, it is ability to attract financial resources. The second advantage is that if the corporation attracts a large amount of capital, it can make large investment in plant, equipment, and research. A third advantage is that a corporation can offer high salaries and attract a talent manager. Number 4. What do you think the disadvantage of the corporate form of ownership might be? I think the downside is there is a profit. It is generally reinvested in the institution rather than being distributed to private stockholder, and access to capital is also limited. Number 5. The business corporation generally issue stock to stockholder. What types of corporations usually do not issue stock? The type of a corporation which usually doesn't issue stock are educational, religious, and charitable institution. Institution. Number 6. Name some well-known corporations from various countries of the world, such as the US, Germany, Japan, and your own country. What does each corporation on your list do? What types of business are likely to take a corporate form of ownership? From USA, McDonald's is a well-known corporation which engaged in food industry. From Germany, Allianz is a well-known corporation which engaged in insurance. From Japan, Toyota is a well-known corporation which engaged in automotive industry. From my country, Indonesia, Indofood is a well-known corporation which engaged in food industry. Conclusion. A business can be privately owned in three important forms. It is a sole proprietorship, partnership, and corporation. Partnership is an association of two or more people to conduct business for profit. Any business can be operate as a partnership. There are partnerships in professional fields such as medicine, law, and accounting. A privately owned business entity is an institution established for the purpose of making a profit. If it is operated by individuals whose share of ownership are stock certificates are called are called are called stockholder. That's all from me, more or less. I am sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.